Hi fams, you're welcome back to another video on Tech. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to activate Google reCAPTCHA for your WooCommerce checkout page and other essential pages on your WooCommerce website. So to get started, log into your WordPress website, and on the menu pane, you're going to come to add a new plugin. So from the WordPress repository, just search for WooCommerce reCAPTCHA. So here's a plugin that we're looking for, reCAPTCHA for WooCommerce by Elliot Soasby. So just go ahead and click on install now. The plugin has been installed, then click on activate. Alright, so once the plugin has activated, we are taken directly to the plugins interface, and from here we're going to set up the plugin to work on our site. But just before we proceed with the setup, we're going to be needing the site key and the secret key, and to get that we go to the Google reCAPTCHA page. Just click on this link, and then from here we are going to add in our website, and then we're going to select the challenge, that's V2, and we're going to leave it as the first option, which is I'm not a robot tick box. So the next thing is for us to add a domain. Just go ahead and paste your domain link. Alright, so without the HTTPS, then we'll go ahead and click on submit. So you can see that our site key and our secret key has been generated. Just go ahead and copy site key, and then we'll paste it in there, and then we'll come back to copy the secret key as well and have it pasted. So once you have done that, you would want to now select your preferences to determine how the plugin works. Now if you look at this option, it says for WordPress forms, if you want the CAPTCHA to show on your WordPress login page, you can have this ticked. If you want it to show on the register page, you can have this ticked. If you want it to show on the reset password page, you can have this ticked. Now the WooCommerce form, which is the one we are really dealing with in this case, the WooCommerce login, to show the form on the WooCommerce register page and to show the form on the WooCommerce checkout page, guest checkout. So once you're satisfied with your options, you can go ahead and click on save changes. Alright, so we'll go ahead and tick this box and then verify. Alright, so that's to show that our installation is okay. So we'll go to the front end to test that out. Right, let me remove this coming soon page so that we can see the website's front end. Alright, so we'll just open an incognito tab. So let's just add a couple of products and then go to the checkout. Alright, so we'll go to checkout, and you can see that right here we have the Google reCAPTCHA on our checkout page. So guys, there you have it. That's how to go about activating reCAPTCHA for the checkout page. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.